part back. And what we're going to do, we know that the stem or the coupling's still good. It's going up and down. So again, the water's off, so it's likely they had a leak in the seat. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and break it down top to bottom, because we're also going to go ahead and get this open to make sure there's nothing inside the bonnet that's bad. Make sure it has lubrication in there, and then we're going to pull the seat out to get the seat fixed. So we're going to have you just follow along. So, you'll notice here, damage to the seat. All around. And so this is why the hydrant was not working. I had to turn the water off, as you can see, where all that damage. See all these little rocks that are here. It's embedded in the seat, squeezed down on the seat, all around it. So this seat did take a little more effort to take out. We had to use the compressor and the impact because it was just real tight on there, and it did not want to come off. You can tell here the air on it bent some. The guides are gone as well from this one, and so we're gonna go ahead and get all those replaced, change the upper valve plate to get it fixed, and then put it all back together. All right, so let's go ahead and start on that.